In this video, I'm going to share 5 tips to help you accelerate romantic relationships and win over a Cancer. Number 1. Selective trust. Cancers are notably cautious when it comes to new relationships. They value their privacy intensely and will not rush into romance without feeling a sense of security. These individuals take their time to know someone, discerning their intentions and compatibility before deepening the connection. Initially shy, Cancers require patience from potential partners who wish to be part of their closely guarded inner circle. Number 2. Romantic sensitivity. As a water sign, Cancer thrives on romance and emotional depth. Once they open up, they commit fully to their relationships, pouring their hearts into making their partners feel loved and supported. Being with a Cancer means having a partner who is completely devoted, always ready to hold your hand during tough times and uplift you on your down days. Number 3. Guarded privacy. Despite their loving nature, Cancers are very private about their personal lives. They rarely share details about their relationships on social media or with acquaintances. This secretive streak can sometimes create tension in relationships, as they might withhold sharing past traumas or embarrassing stories, which can make their partners feel excluded. It's beneficial for Cancers to learn to open up more to foster deeper connections. Number 4. Desire for domestic bliss. True homebodies at heart, Cancers envision creating a nurturing home with their loved ones. They prefer long-term commitments and are not fans of casual encounters, as they often form deep emotional connections easily. Their ultimate goal in love is to build a stable and loving family environment, whether it's with children, pets, or just their partner. Number 5. Empathy and expectations. Highly empathetic, Cancers can intuitively sense what others need and excel at providing comfort and understanding. They make their partners feel cherished and supported without expecting anything in return. However, they do hope for similar empathy from their partners, and when it's lacking, it can lead to moodiness or feelings of neglect. Cancers bring depth, loyalty, and heartfelt care to their relationships, making them cherished partners in love. However, like the crab that represents them, they protect themselves until they're sure they can trust someone with their vulnerabilities. If you enjoyed this insight into how Cancers process love, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you haven't yet, check out my video on captivating a Cancer's heart. I'll see you in the next video.